Paying your Verizon bill online is easy and convenient. First, access the Verizon website at verizon.com or open the My Verizon app. If you're a new user, create an account using your phone number and account PIN, which you can find on your bill. Log in with your username, which can be your email or phone number, and your password. You'll likely need to complete two-factor authentication for security. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone. Navigate to the billing section on the website or tap the Account tab, then Bill and Payments in the app. Once you're in the billing section, review your current balance and due date. Click Pay Bill or a similar button. Choose your preferred payment method: credit card, debit card, bank account, or a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you want to set up automatic payments, toggle the Auto Pay option. Enter your payment details, including the amount, full or partial, card information, and billing address. Double-check all the details for accuracy before submitting. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email or in-app message with a receipt. Payments made with digital methods typically post immediately, while bank transfers might take 1 to 3 business days.